Okay, so now building on that, what we said was we had, there's your C. Now we went to the F, D, and rather than doing that, I went F, D, A, C, D, F, D, right? F, D. Now look what I just did. I went F, D, rather than using this fingered A, right? F, D. Again, you can take all those components, okay? The main thing is when you look at our principal melody notes, they were A, C, D, F, D, A, C, D. Now when we do the A, it's really here. Here's the C, here's the D, F, D, D, A, C, D, A, C, D, F, D, A, C, D, and those are our slide notes, sliding in between. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's a good tutorial on those two.